birthday to Sharmayne. Happy birthday to you. Guys, the party is at 1:30 and it's 12 p.m. and I just woke up. I'm gonna rush to get ready now. What is this? Why didn't no one wake me up? Wait, what? Guys, I'm lost. Where the hell is cold storage? Guys? Wait, oh, maybe it's there. I'm a little bit lost, but when am I not? Dude, I look so unpresentable right now. This is not how I want to pull up to a birthday party. But it's okay, when we're on the yacht, I will be more calm. And also, I'm so hungry. Haven't eaten anything. So, definitely need food right now. Oh my god, I'm actually so excited. I'll catch you guys later. Guys, I'm the earliest.
She's never really the earliest, but today she is.
What do you mean? So where's the fit? Tell us everything.
The fit is from And Other Stories.
Oh really? So cute. Look at the nails.
I got my nails done. My friend did it for me.
Guys, chrome. Wow, wait, this is so nice.
Yeah, I just did it like 2 days ago.
Oh my god. So birthday girl, do you have any thoughts about the party?
I'm nervous about getting motion sick. Secondary school classmate, netball mate, the cocktail. Yeah, and then poly classmate for 2 years, and then NC and lipstick.
Literally.
Why the same lipstick?
Yeah. Guys, she's actually so right. I do look like a mother of 5.
No ma'am. No ma'am.
I have like, what, sons and they play soccer lah. My blood sugar's so low, I could faint right now. I literally woke up and then I just got ready and went here. Smile, ready? Yes. The reality behind the photo. Come, all, can you guys all fit? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Go closer, you guys. Okay, ready? Let's hit. 1, 2, 3, 1.
Hi everyone, welcome to my 21st birthday. So today what we're gonna do is after we reach the less chalky area, we'll cut cake. Okay. And then we can have our lunch. For those of you who can't have your lunch. Not me.
Thank you for having us. Yeah.
He looks like a mom.
The boat is actually rocking like crazy right now. Oh my god, girlies! How is everything? Good. What do you get?
Fresh aglio. All the same.
Oh wow,
It's
what?
white Tuscan fish.
So healthy. Brown rice. What do you get? Get
Yes, of course.
Sharmayne, what do you get?
I got the Tuscan whitefish.
Ooh, slay.
Yes.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, showstopper.
Where's your cat? Wait, that's so funny. You guys get that? She's going fast. Go to the beach.
When someone has it, everyone is yeah. She's right.
Wait, what?
I think this is a scam. She probably won't follow you. I thought this was like animal.
Shit, guys, I'm in last place.
Sharmayne is left-handed. Huh?
The heck? Which one is false? I cannot see right and left. Hey. Oh my god, I'm right! See?
What course is Sharmayne doing in poly?
Where is it?
Red is accounting, yellow is hospitality.
Mescom.
Green is mescom. Eh, who put mescom?